You meet all of the PMP eligibility criteria, but then how do you apply for the PMP exam? Now, most people make a grave mistake at this point. Join me today. My name is Bosco Odon. I am an authorized PMP instructor and coach with NewSkill Uganda. Today, we look at the PMP application process. And if you want to get the full value of this video, make sure you watch until the end because I will reveal something great at the end of this video. Let's continue. First off, of course, you're going to start with going to pmi.org, and after then you'll click on login. This is where you'll provide your login details. Enter the username and then enter the password. Then click on login to my PMI. So here's your account. Now we'll go under certifications here. You scroll to core certifications, project management professional. All right, here you have apply now. Check. So starting off with the academic education, the details, the country where you attended, Uganda. The highest level of education, we are going to go with a bachelor's degree.
2023.
And the name of the institution. Continue. There is even an easier way of getting this PMP exam application done. Before you start your application on pmi.org, you can use this PMP application simulator created by NewSkill Uganda. We have created this to simulate the entire PMP application process. So you can see you can capture your details here upfront before you go to pmi.org. You can capture your academic education here, your professional education. So if you have studied with us, when you go to the experience section, you can see this is where you enter the project experience details, the project title, the organization, job title, function reporting area, and so on and so forth. Now, however, this may not match because PMI has updated, I think, the application portal, but nonetheless, the information here is still quite important. Then in the project description, you can use, there is this prompt here. You can use this prompt with ChatGPT or any other AI to generate a more revised description of your project experience. That is what you're going to copy and then you paste in your project experience. Then you, of course, the exam details, location, the name on certificate, the address, the email, phone number, examination accommodations, agree to the terms. So here you can look at the terms and you can submit. So you realize this simulates almost the entire thing. So when you capture your information here, it will be very easy for you now to go and complete your application on the portal. So make sure you download this PMP exam application simulator. We have provided the link in the video description. It is free. Okay, let's go ahead and copy our experience description. Paste it in right there. Save. Live instructor-led training, the number of contact hours 35. So continue to the exam details. Profile. Okay, certification profile. The country within which you're going to take your exam. All right, yes, surname, Najima, given name, Lydia. DOB, what is your date of birth? The address. Email address is fine. Yes, we can edit that. Remember, you choose your preferred Confirm that's correct. Okay, so we save that. Save certificate details. Exam accommodations. Do you need any special arrangements?
No, I don't.
Okay, no is checked. PMI certification application agreement. You could actually read it here. They're all here, but I'll just check that. Save. Okay. Also save this address. So we submit. All right, perfect. So this is your message. Application was submitted successfully. So it is still under review. Now this review could take between 5 to 10 business days. So at any time you can log into your PMI dashboard and you can track the status of your approval. After it is approved, of course, you'll be prompted to submit a payment and schedule your exam. So let's just go to your dashboard and see. So when you log in and you go to your dashboard, you'll be able to see here, your application was submitted. If you want to check to track, you can simply go there. Okay, now here you'll see the status of your application. So right now we are still here, they're reviewing whether we meet those requirements. After the application is approved, we'll go in these following steps where you pay for the exam, they'll verify, then you can schedule and take the exam. You can keep checking in your email. Sometimes the email may delay, yet the approval has already been sent. So you may need to also be logging in and checking within your dashboard. So thanks for completing this next step. You are closer than ever. And I would like to just wish you nice preparation as you go to prepare for your PMP exam. So make sure you practice as much as possible of the PMP exam. Recently, we've opened a new series, PMP question and answers with explanation. So you could simply also follow that series, where every day we discuss one question, one PMP question, and we give you a video explanation to that question. So it is good for building your question approach, but most importantly also the mindset. You know, we have to build the PMI mindset on how we answer these questions. So maybe you may want to follow through. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The link to the channel is provided in the video description down below. We have also added free mock exam. Set aside the 4 hours and try that free mock exam. And the link to this free PMP mock exam has also been put down in the description of this video. Check out for it. I want to interest you for upcoming PMP classes. We as NewSkill, we've organized PMP classes coming up during the course of this year, and it always runs every year. Please scan the QR code to register for free. You can as well click on the registration link provided in the video description below and reach out to us on the contacts provided so that we can set you up. And that is it. I hope this video gave you a clear picture into how you can apply for your PMP exam. And also, if you like this video, if this video was helpful for you, make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share this link to other people. And thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. My name is Bosco Odon, an authorized PMP instructor with NewSkill Uganda, and see you on the next video. We have also shared the registration link in the video description below. Click and register for free. Thank you and see you in the next video.